In this video, I'm going to show you how to save an audio message on iPhone. So for example, let's say that you have received a message or a voice note like this one. So as long as you have the messages and you don't delete anything, you will have this voice note. Test. And if you want to save it, just hold down and then you have an option to save, to reply, copy and more. Then you save it and basically it will be saved to your voice memos right over here. As you can see, this is the one I just saved. And that's it. Pretty simple. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.